Hi everyone. We'll see some of the latest AWS announcements, starting with AWS Data Transfer Terminal. You might know the devices like AWS Snowball and AWS Snowmobile, which lets you transfer large amount of data to AWS. So something similar, AWS have come up something called a Data Transfer Terminal, which is a secure and physical location where you can book a time slot and visit the location and then transfer large amount of data to AWS S3 EFS. Currently, it is available only in Los Angeles and New York, but it is going to be expanded globally. You can use it for large video production data, your ADAS training data in automobile industry, your sensor data in agriculture and industrial use cases. All these data you can upload to AWS in a matter of minutes as opposed to days or weeks, and then start using Amazon Athena or your machine learning models in AWS. Up next, we have this Amazon EKS hybrid nodes. AWS have announced that you can now start using your on-premise servers as nodes in an Amazon EKS clusters. Now, this obviously adds the benefit of both AWS and on-premise, like your Kubernetes control plane. Now, the heavy lifting of that is taken care by AWS, while you get to host your applications in your on-premise for compliance and other reasons that you might have. So this also has the benefit of other EKS features that EKS offers, like your add-ons, pod identity, cluster access management, and extended Kubernetes version support by AWS. You can also integrate with other AWS services like your Systems Manager, IAM Roles Anywhere, Guard Duty, and so on. Last one is the high memory U7inh instance. AWS have announced this instance in collaboration with Hewlett Packard Enterprise. U7 instances are usually the memory optimized instance like your R series, but they have very high memory, typically starting from 112x large. Now, this particular instance type offers 32 TB memory with 1920 vCPUs. That's quite a large one. As you can see, it is 480x large, the instance type name. So where it is being used, it is usually used in large in-memory databases like your SAP HANA. This is also SAP certified and is primarily targeted for SAP HANA users. And this is the server, which is the HP Compute Scale-up Server 320 that this instance type uses. And as you can identify from the I in the instance type name, it is an Intel Xeon Scalable processor of 4th generation. So that's it for today. In summary, we saw these three AWS data transfer terminal, Amazon EKS hybrid nodes, and high memory V7 instances.